Good morning! An early start for our harvest this year. It's the 23rd of August 2018. We've never ever started this early with our harvest here in Bischoffingen. 6:30 a.m. because the heat will be quite severe this afternoon. So we said let's start early and pick cool grapes. We have to start off now with our Pinot Gris because this year the Pinot Gris is just rising up too fast with the sugar levels. And we don't want to pick above 14% alcohol, so that's why we have to start early and have to get going with the harvest. The first full bin of Pinot Gris grapes going off to the winery now. And now after the Pinot Gris, we're on a very special mission. Here we have some very ripe, lovely, delicious Pinot Noir grapes, but not all of them are very good for the thing what we are trying to pick here. As we are looking for very ripe berries, especially the bunch, the stalks need to be very ripe. So we are choosing only the bunches that have a nice wooden stalk at the end. Let's have a look if we can find someone. Yep, you see, nice and woody stalks. So that's delicious for a whole bunch fermentation. Oops. Pinot Gris is now on the press. Let's have a sip and taste it. Nice dark color. Looks almost like beer, doesn't it? Nice flavors of ripe apples. A bit of honey. Smells really good. Great sugar content, around about 94 degrees Oechsle, and acidity level about 5.7 grams per liter tartaric acid. Really delicious. A wonderful start for the vintage 2018. A vintage in the middle of our summer, of course. And yeah, we'll probably do some base wine for sparkling tomorrow, and the main vintage harvest will start on Monday. Till then, let's enjoy some more grape juice. Really delicious. So that's our first day picking grapes, vintage 2018 in a marvelous summer. And this evening, of course, a little bit of thunderstorm. Yeah, a real nice thunderstorm. So far 25 milliliters of rain and a little bit of hail, but I hope it didn't do any damage. So let's see what the night will bring.